Hello, we are here with Rob Nye from Aviara, and we are talking power today. Rob, what are we on and what are we powered by right now?
So actually right now, Lisa, thanks for first off having us out here and being out on our boat, but right now we're out on an Aviara AV32. This particular boat is powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower Verados. It's also equipped with the joystick piloting outboard,
Right.
JPO they call it. And it's an amazing boat. With the twin V8 powered Verados, it is definitely a great performing boat out in these conditions.
Definitely a great performing boat. And then behind us, we've got another AV32, but different type of power.
Absolutely. So that's the great thing about Aviara. We offer all of our boats in both outboard or stern drive propulsion. So the boat actually over my left behind us is an Ilmor powered stern drive Aviara. So it's actually got twin 430 horsepower, 6.2 liter engines with their One Touch Pro joystick piloting system as well.
Right. Okay, so if I'm shopping Aviara Boats and I need to make a decision between inboard, outboard, what are some differences? Like, help me make that decision for me.
So the good thing for our customer and bad is we actually make it a little more difficult for them. A lot of manufacturers of stern drive, I would say it might not be the most well equipped for saltwater. But with Ilmor, we actually have the closed cooling system includes the manifold. So it's protecting the engine and the manifolds from saltwater. So you do have an option for the saltwater. The outboard's what's great about those, though. If you are going to be storing the boat in the water, you can trim the engines fully out of the water.
Right.
The stern drives, they are going to be in the water, but if you're in a saltwater environment, you're able to keep it on a lift or a high and dry, you actually have a stern drive option. And they both have the joystick piloting, which is great.
So it's an important decision when you're deciding between inboard, outboard.
Absolutely. You know, an important part of the boat is the engine and the way it is propulsion. You know, with Aviara, we've built the boats all about entertaining. Places to keep your drinks, places for all your friends to seat. I call it uninterrupted boating. Somebody wants to grab a drink, they don't have to get up out of their seat. We have a nice slider drawer cooler. We have the sink with the champagne or wine bottle storage. So we want the engine part of it to be really something you don't have to think about. You go out, you turn the key, you push the start buttons, and you go.
Right.
When you need to bring it in the dock, you've got the joystick to help make it easy for you. And that's why we made joystick standard on all of our boats, the 32, 36, and the 40.
Yes,
So.
Excellent. Well, if you need more information, where can people go to find out more about you?
AviaraBoats.com, check it out. If you want to design your own boat, that's the beauty of the brand. You can build your boats to be curated, be exactly what you want to be and express yourself out on the water.
Yeah.
And build it to your use.
All right. I have to point out the coloring. Because the beautiful black boat behind us looks completely different than the one we're sitting in here. Do you have like design packages already built in?
So we do have a certain amount of gel colors, but we also offer 5 different vinyls. We really want it to be a nice, clean, sophisticated look on the water. But if you want a more aggressive, you can go with the black and dark gray like we have behind us. The hard tops all match the rest of the gel coat color. Or you've got a really nice, I call this a modern classic look. The boat we're on has navy with the light gray, but it's just a touch of color to offset that bright white out on the water. So.
Yeah, gorgeous boats, power options. Definitely check out aviaraboats.com, and we hope to see you out on the water.